So I'm making the backgrounds for my covers, and usually I just use a solid color, and this one I kind of pieced together. And then this one, and these are scraps, by the way. This one I found like 3 greens I liked for my green book. I am going to put some frames around these. So this is just the bare bones, but you can see how like seamless it is. It's so pretty. And this is the pink one, which I also love. And I'm gonna again put some things on here. So this is just the background. So we're gonna decorate another one to show you how to kind of do something like that. Except this time I wanted it to be difficult, so I'm just making stuff up. So the first thing you want to do, I probably would honestly use like Mod Podge or a sticky glue or something like that, because I don't know about, you probably noticed some of the joints are moving a little bit. I'm not really concerned about it because they're about to be covered in stickers and a frame. But if you just wanted to use it like by itself without any decorations, then you might want to get something sturdier than glue dots, which, you know, it's like I think it was like the 3rd most stable glue I used last time. Actually, it's not bad, but I just think that there's other ones that are more permanent, like Mod Podge, and it might be easier to use. So you want to try to cover it with glue. Okay, now I think it's pretty sticky. So I have here some other scraps that my husband cut for me. Okay, so I'm gonna push it up. I think the reason why he likes these and I like them is because usually we do towel work together, like when we put people's towel, I guess. I've done so many tile projects. Hold on, he's cutting a little bit off of it. Okay, so I've been told
should be big enough
that this should work.
Yeah,
in theory. So you're gonna push it up to the edge, putting this here, some fancy lace. Somebody else, that's not how you lay tiles. So right now it looks like Frankenstein. It probably is. So then you take your non-stick scissors. See? I kid you not, it says that. You take your non-stick scissors. And I like it because this piece of like cheap cardboard, most of the time it won't let you cut it, because like you can actually feel like where the cardboard is, so you don't overcut. So now I'm gonna open my Levenger, which nobody actually gave him a name. So sad. Sorry about that. And close it back because I'm done punching holes for tonight, I think. And there you have it. Look how cool it looks. Let me show you on the side. Very weird. I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. So now you have a base to put more decorations and things like that on it. And I like how like nice the seams are. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.